Well, welcome back. If you remember from the last video, we had a ton of problems and our code didn't really work. So we're going to try to solve those problems. One problem was as shown. Let's see. So our turrets aren't really firing. I can't click them. Other turrets not firing. A lot of stuff is going wrong. So here is my attempt to try and fix that. So in the last video, we went ahead and we gave our objects a firing range. And currently what's happening is if the bullet distance is not below this value to the turret, it's going to delete the object bullet. But I don't have any turret on my field right now, so I'm just going to delete this code. Now, we need to make this into an object timer, just like we did up here. Right here. Timer, name of timer of object name. So right now, these are scene timers. I want to make them object timers. Go ahead and go to timer. Value of timer. Tack. Timer name is tack fire rate. Whoops. Go ahead and give it 1. So the timer of this object. And this is resetting the scene timer. We want to reset an object timer. Alright. Let's go ahead and see if it works now. I deleted the range limitation from here, and I made these object timers. Awesome. This one's working, but this one is still not quite working. And why is that? Well, again, if I remember from my previous turret, I need to have this condition right here. So instead of repeating for each turret object, I'm going to go ahead and just copy that. Let's add it right here. Oh, I don't want to copy all of that actually. So let's not copy that. Let's go ahead and just right here. Whoops. Let's add a for each object. And I want to do it for each tack shooter. What do I want to do? This. Awesome. They both work now. Now, another improvement I can make is to get the firing range to show up on these. Also, it would be nice if I could have different firing rates for both of them. You know, what if I upgrade it later? So these are all improvements I can make later, but I'm pretty satisfied with what I have now. These can both shoot, and I can see them shooting. Let's go ahead and clean up our code a little. So right now, right here I have nothing. I could actually just copy and paste this. Into here. Let's copy, let's paste. Alright. And I can delete this. Or, no, I don't want to delete the whole thing. Let's undo that. Uh-oh. Alright. So sometimes it bugs out. You just have to go to another scene and come back. I'm going to go ahead and drag this up here. Just cleaning up our code a little bit. So for each turret object, if the distance is below this much, then do this. Same thing for here. I can copy and paste this as well. Let's go ahead and put these here. Let's delete that. Awesome. So all we did was really bring it up one level so that I didn't have an empty thing right here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you all my code right now. And go ahead and take a look at yours and make sure it pretty much matches mine. If it doesn't, that's okay. You know, you might have done your own changes, especially if you're doing it on your own. I'm going to go ahead and pause here. You can pause the video, check your code. Now sometimes you might not need these quotations. I think it just might be a different version of gdevelop, not too sure. Alright, you can pause the video here. All of these, none of these have changed. They should all be on the same level. And we haven't changed any of that. Awesome. In the next video, we're going to go ahead and try to get the range to show up when I click it.